Alright, so today I went ahead and came up to Animal Kingdom. Gorgeous day, it's nice and chilly. I'm anxious to see if all the animals are frisky. And even after reminding myself 3 times not to forget my camera charger, I forgot my camera charger. So I've got just a little bit of battery power left in my Canon. I do have the GoPro with me and my phone, so I'm going to try to capture a little bit here and there. Footage looks a little wonky, that's probably why. So let's go have some fun. So the weather is getting some of the animals excited and other animals are going and hiding. Let's see what the gorillas are doing.
Yeah, he's giving him a piece of leaf. Look at him, he's
I was smelling that roasted corn, so I had to get some. $5.29 and a harambe. Yum. Alright, so far we had a great time. We've seen lots of waterfalls, we saw some otters, we saw lots of birds. We've been to Africa and seen the gorillas and tried to see hippos, but they were sleeping. Saw some zebras. And it's been extremely relaxing morning, and I'm having a great time walking around looking at all the animals. So let's keep going. Hello.
Hey, right over here, there's another bird.
Like a dragon sits inside there. So,
Look at that bird right there with the little, like,
I don't know what the heck's in there.
that one that's on that branch right there. With that little
He's building that nest, mad like.
Pheasant? But the same family as I was going to say. Yeah, I think I was going to
These are the guys who were making all the noise while we were looking at the birds. Had a great time in Asia. We saw some bats and we saw some beasts and we saw some tigers. We saw lots more birds. We saw some great monkeys, and the weather's still been great. Very enjoyable. So let's keep going. I am going to bypass Dino Land. I will leave a link up to a great video. We went the opening day of Dino Bash, and I think that video says enough for itself. So I'll leave a link up to that below. So let's keep going.
No brakes! Ooh, nailed it! Yes. Okay, that's the walking test. Check. Brake test. Double check. I should probably turn this baby around now. Everybody cross your fingers, please. Nailed it!
Alright, so Pandora. Walked around. Got some pretty footage of the waterfalls. I think I'm going to do a separate ASMR video of just waterfalls from Animal Kingdom. But anyway, it was a gorgeous day, and I think I'm going to finish it out here at Animal Kingdom. I want to thank you for coming along with me today. It made it a lot more fun to be able to share it with you. So don't forget to go out and give someone a random hug, and we'll see you real soon.